Good morning, each and everyone. Dear students, the day before yesterday we all discussed about that Harappan civilization, Indus Valley civilization. So many students are giving me message and clear their doubt. Today the topic is the Vedic period. This is the chapter number 2. Vedic period. This is a very important word. Vedic. Our country and our culture. Many times we all discuss about that Vedic culture, Vedic civilization. Why this period is known as the Vedic period? Because this period is totally based on the Vedas. Totally based on the Vedas. Before that discuss the Vedas, we all discuss that how this period known as the Vedic period. Actually this period, the period of Aryans, the period of Aryan. Who was Aryans? How they came to India? What was the main reason? So first of all, today we will discuss that origin of Aryan. Normally, the Aryan originally lived in Central Asia. The Aryan originally lived in Central Asia, but the shortage of food, lack of water, many of them left their original home and someone went to Europe and many of them come to India in 1500 BC. Those Aryan come to in India, they were known as the Indo-Aryan. Indo-Aryan. Firstly, they settled in Punjab. You see that this in their map, this is the total belt of the Aryan early settlement. This area is the early settlement of the Aryan, those who come from Central Asia. They pass the Hindu Kush mountain. This is the Hindu Kush mountain. They pass the Hindu Kush mountain and settle themselves in India. Firstly, setting himself in Punjab. So they known as the Indo-Aryan because they are native and originally Aryans. They all are Aryans. They come to India, so their name changed as the Indo-Aryan. How I can say that? They Aryans come from Central Asia and they lived in India. So there are sources of the literally 4 Vedas. Normally during the time of the Vedic period, 4 Vedas are composed by the Aryan. The first and oldest Ved, Rig Ved. This is the important source of information about the Vedic period. Second, Sham Ved. It is also very important source of information about the Indo-Aryans. Yajur Ved. This is the third and most important Ved also. This also give me a lot of information about the Aryans. And last Ved, the Atharva Ved. That is the 4 important Ved. Those are give me information about the Aryans, their life, their occupations, their settlement, their food and their occupations. So today we all discuss about that those who are come to India and settle himself in Punjab and many other part of India. So Aryans Vedic period generally divided into 2 parts. Early Vedic age and later Vedic age. Before that, we all discuss about that originally Aryans coming from Central Asia. Someone settled himself in Europe and someone settled himself in India. Those who come to India, they all are known as the Indo-Aryan. In India, firstly they set himself in Punjab. It is very important point. Many time question asked, where was Aryan first settled himself in India? Your answer is Punjab. Okay, next topic, Vedic period divided into 2 parts. First, early Vedic period or early Vedic age. Second, later Vedic period or later Vedic age. The time of early Vedic age is 1500 to 1000 BC. The time of later Vedic age 1000 BC to 600 BC. So it is very clear. Vedic period divided into 2 parts. First early Vedic period from starting 1500 to 1000 BC, and later Vedic period from 1000 BC to 600 BC. Now, early Vedic age, when the Aryan firstly settle in India and start their life, start their occupations, this period is known as the early Vedic period. First of all, we already discussed about that. What was the social condition of the Aryans? No doubt, that time family was the very important unit of the society. Family. The family was the very important unit of the society. The Aryans lived in a village. The Aryans lived in a village. That time village was called the Gram. Village was called that Gram. Okay. So village is called that Gram, and number of villages, number of group known as the Vish. Number of villages known as Vish. Okay. Now the family, especially their houses were made of wood, bamboo, straw and reeds. These were in the act is huts tied together by ropes, bars and pegs. Means their houses will generally made wood and bamboo. Okay. Now the group of village was called the Vish. The group of village called the Vish. Okay. Now the family and status of women. Next topic, the family and status of women. Joint family system. That time the joint family system is going on. The head of the family known as the गृहपति, जो घर का मुखिया होता था उसको हम गृहपति बोलते थे. गृहपति normally the male member. Joint family system, especially 3 generations living together, grandfather, grandchildren and their father. 3 generations is lived together. Next, division of society. The society was divided into 4 groups: the Brahman, the Kshatri, the Vaishya and the Shudra. Their work and their profession is also different. Brahman in society, the very important and top class having the Brahman. Brahman learned the Vedas and perform religious ceremonies. Kshatri were ruling classes. Kshatri ruled करता था. Vaishya followed the occupation of agriculture, cattle rearing and trade. And Shudra were also there are living doing manual and other unskilled jobs. They serve the other 3 classes. Means classes 4 division of the society: Brahman, Kshatri, Vaishya and Shudra. Tomorrow we will be discuss next topic, early Vedic age. Thank you.